This is the Rudraksh Japamala used for chanting the Shiv mantra. This is the extended bead from where we start the chanting. You have to hold the mala on your ring finger, and after chanting each mantra once, you have to use your middle finger and the thumb to rotate the bead by one. Make sure that your index finger, that is the pointer finger, doesn't touch the mala. For example, like for demo sake, I'm giving one mantra, Om Namah Shivaya. So we keep chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. After Om Namah Shivaya, you use your middle finger and the thumb to move the bead by one. I hope it's clear so far. Go on doing like this till you complete the complete mala, that is 108 chants. How do you know you've completed the beads, that 108 counts? It is when the extended bead again comes up on top. Okay. Now once you've finished the 108 counts, you take this extended bead, touch it to both your eyes, center of your forehead, and the top of your head. And while you're doing this, ensure index finger does not touch the bead at all, the japamala. Okay. Now, if you want to do one more, want to continue the chanting, want to do one more mala, then you have to turn the bead around, the entire mala. So this is the video where it shows how to turn it across, and then again start the chanting one by one by one. Okay.